What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on both Instagram and Snapchat to be the first to know when my videos go live. By the way, if you need any merchandise, go ahead and hit me up. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in a recent video, I want to say about 3 or 4 videos ago, I tried to install the lightweight battery, and unfortunately the battery was not good. I got that battery warrantied out now, and I guess it's take 2 to install it. Let's go. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove this. Just like so. And we're going to start removing the intake. So as you can see, the full intake is on the battery. I didn't put the battery cover back on because, you know, I was going to take it off anyhow. So the first thing that we're going to do is have to remove this whole intake section and start taking that battery apart. Make life easy and just kind of loosen this all up. And of course, why would it start raining? I mean, the next thing, we're just going to remove this battery on the positive side. Let's see if we can shock ourselves. And maybe just pull up, pull a tab to the side, pull this tab to the side, and pull up. And get all sticky from the tape. Go ahead and remove those 2 right there. We're going to remove this right here. Ratchet it is. And we got the brace on. So you guys aren't going to believe this. This plate right here I put in last time, and somehow it's still here, but now it's kind of wedged in here. Oh, I thought I had it. All right, I got the plate out. I simply loosen this unit up. Let's go ahead and start tightening it back up. All right. All right, sorry I haven't really been having you guys follow along too much, but it is starting to rain. The box is pretty much installed now. Just got to mount this to the box, which is pretty simple. All right, now it's just time to put the intake all back together. And the final thing. Just like that, guys, everything is put back together. It's time to clean up. I'll catch you on the other camera. Alright, you guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. As you saw, we completed the lightweight battery install in the rain, unfortunately, but we got it done. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you would have done anything differently. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash.